Welcome back to my tutorial series on how to set up and use the SICK Augmented Reality Assistant. In this tutorial, you will learn how to connect data to SARA services when the data stems are from sources other than SICK devices. To open SARA Editor, open your internet browser and input your hardware's IP address where SARA services are installed, followed by /SARA-editor. In my case, this is 192.168.1.1/SARA-editor. Log in as administrator. Open one of the previously created cells and click the tab Data Sources. Similar to defining a SICK sensor as a data source, you can also add data stems sources other than a SICK sensor. Let's create a new data source for machine data. In our example, we presume you already obtained the required information from a machine and would like to visualize it using SARA. We also presume the required data is available over MQTT. Simply create a new data source and name it. Optionally, add an icon. Select Other Source from the drop-down menu. Add new data. Type in a name as an internal identifier. Select one of the predefined data models from the drop-down menu. Type in a descriptive name. Save the new data source and its data. You have now successfully added a new data source to your SARA services.